Give your hands.
No! 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 Stop! Oh, stop! Just call Nick! I'm sorry.
Smack your phone, Nick. Fix my bed sheets.
Okay.
You're acting like a rape victim, you nigga. I'm not.
Good blanket too. You got fall. My pants coming off.
Ugh.
Don't hit me.
It's not made. Oh, the baby's coming. Take your pants off. My shit's rough as hell. What are you doing? Leave your name and number.
Fuck. Yeah. So Bella forgot your birthday. You are? Yeah, she remembered Gerard's.
Oh.
Yeah. Bella. She does?
What?
You were recording.
She knew that.
Okay. Trying to make a fool out of me? I'm not a fool.
Yes.
I said Paul. Oh yeah. TRIN is. Wait, for real, can I just hear mine real quick? I want to show you what it was. Hold on, wait.
It's hot up in her.
Up in her? What girl you in? Not a showerish.
Yeah, boy.
Ugh.
You know it. No. Tiffany Thornton right there. That's my boo.
Nasty.
I don't know. I'm gonna draw on your pants.
No! Bitch! Stop! Isn't that creative? You didn't know what I said. You got one of these.
Mm-hmm. Get smacked.
Guess what she got punished this with? Kevin did. Hey, Bella. Bella. Look.
I like my version better.
Look. Can I do something? Excuse me. I want to read. Trent.